How to fix TikTok following problem. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix TikTok following problem. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see the posts that people have shared. Normally, when you swipe on someone's post, you can follow them after tapping on the follow button. But sometimes the feature does not work. Don't worry, I will show you how to solve it. First, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your TikTok account as you can see here. After that, go ahead and tap on the menu option at the top right corner of the screen. A menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, just like you can see here. From those options, tap this one named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok. On this page, you will find several different options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, come to this section here. From the sections that are here, tap on this one named Report a Problem. Wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, tap this section named Interaction. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. From those options, tap this one here named Follow. After that, another page with more options appears. From those options, make sure you tap this one here. You will land on this page where TikTok is giving you information on why you are unable to follow users. Make sure you read this information very carefully so that may understand what may be the reason behind the issue. If you have been following too many people within a short period, then TikTok may temporarily disable the following feature for you so that can slow down a little bit. After all the information, if you are not satisfied, then tap on this option here. After that, proceed to the bottom of the screen and tap on this other option. Finally, you will land on the feedback box where you have to type a short message asking the TikTok support team to solve the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like I'm doing here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Hi, I'm having a problem following people on my account. Kindly fix this issue for me, thanks. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix TikTok following problem.